तिसवाडी सांताक्रूज हांगासरल्या बोंडवळ ही पुर्तुगेज काळावयली उदकाचो नैसर्गिक सांठो आशिल्ली तळी सार्वजनीक उपयुक्त प्रकल्प म्हूण उबारिल्ली. मात सध्या ह्या तळयेचो वापर खासगी कामां खातीर जावपाक लागला. नैसर्गिक संरक्षणाच्या दृश्टीन सरकारान हाचे कडेन लक्ष दिवचें अशी मागणी सामाजीक कार्यकर्ते आर्थो डिसूजा आनी डॉमिनिक परेरा हांणी केल्या. सरकारान एका म्हयन्यांत ह्या संदर्भात कारवाय करचे अशी ताणें मागला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I have pointed out in my dossier that these public utility projects, public utility land in the villages which were done for centuries is for the common benefit of the villagers, of the citizens of that village. We consider this lake very important. Why? Because if there is shortage of water, henceforth, if there is ever a shortage of water, Bondwal Lake, the water of Bondwal Lake can be utilized by the villages for more than 4 months. It has got that much capacity to hold water. I would like to point out that the Honorable Supreme Court in the Jaspal Singh and others versus State of Punjab on 28 January 2011 held that these public utility lands should be taken over by the government, and all unscrupulous persons, I am talking about unscrupulous persons with muscle power, and in this case the tenant who is now holding that land, just 550 square meters, is using muscle power to deny the villages the use of this beautiful lake. I don't know whether he has any political clout,